Did I dodge him? Oh, there's a cup.
Can I get the cup? I'm good at cleaning cups. Ate, you broke the last trophy. Okay?
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna look at other places. Oh, why did the door close on me? What is that?
It glitched through the closet.
You said you were
Once you grab it, it just glitches through the closet.
5 minutes to go somewhere else. Here's the map, so you map me or something.
Let's just go forward because that's what. I have to come back.
There's a map.
No, it's not here.
This is the.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there's a map.
Ate, you can't see. Just go forward.
Yeah, it's just scary.
Let's just go. Let's go forward. Yeah.
They haven't gone this far yet.
No, because it's black.
There's very many things in this. Johnny, I think.
Ate, I'll get the trophy.
Okay, I'll get the. Johnny. I accidentally grabbed this. Did it touch the lantern? I destroyed the 15,000 the 5 no the 50,000.
The thing's not moving. It just said game over.
Why? I didn't say. Oh wait, there's a bar there that says we need 11. Okay.
Yeah, but why did it say game over? Why? Oh,
I'm back.
it's just.
Did we go under the map? I think we went under the map. How do we go back to the map?
Let's just see.